Can you really make $1,000 daily online with Cloutzap? In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Cloutzap, and we're going to do a full review of it. We're going to show you how you can possibly earn that $1,000 daily. And we're also going to dive into, right at the end of the video, a few things you're going to want to know before you go and sign up. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this video. I'm going to actually reveal a few secrets about Cloutzap that you need to know about. Okay, so that's it. Let's head over to the desktop and go through a complete review of Cloutzap and find out you can earn $1,000 daily. Okay, welcome to today's video, and as you can see, we have landed on the website Cloutzap, and as you can see, flashing across, make 500 a day, make 1,000 daily, and welcome to the #1 influencer network. Earn money at school, home, work, etc. It also tells you here you're going to get a $35 bonus on sign up. So everything is looking rosy. Why wouldn't you sign up? Of course you would. Well, stay tuned because I'm going to show you some reasons why you may change your mind and you may not want to actually sign up. And I'm going to go through those just after we've gone through the website and shown you what it's all about and how you're going to possibly earn this $1,000 daily. Okay, so we're going to go across to the How It Works tab. Now, as you can see here, it says here that you can learn how to earn money with Cloutzap. And it says this is how much they've already received in cash, their members. Just bear that figure in mind. And as you can see here, this is how it works. It's easiest the #1 network in the world, easy as 1, 2, 3. All you have to do is join, share, and earn. Okay, so that is the principle. You join Cloutzap for free. You actually go and get some money for doing that, and you get money for inviting other people by sharing your link. You get $15 per person that you actually invite. One other way you can earn money is you get $2 every time someone just clicks on your referral link. They don't have to join. It's just $2 every time someone clicks. And when they sign up, you get $15 as well. Then all you do is go in and take some easy money when you answer some surveys and polls. You can also earn money by doing app tasks, playing games, testing some free apps, and you do a daily quest as well to redeem money for every completed quest. And there's also giveaways as well on the site. Now, as you can see here at the bottom as well, they've got 560,000 plus registered users, and they've paid out to users $22 million. So that is a phenomenal amount of money they've actually paid out. Okay, so also on the front page, it says they have 210 plus thousand active monthly users. Our users' average monthly pay is $10,000 plus. So this is basically what you can actually earn. Okay, so you get paid for clicks on your referral link, which is what I said, $2. You get paid for completing daily quests, doesn't say how much. You get paid for referral sign-ups, $15 or more, and you get an hourly giveaway, and you get a $35 sign-up bonus as well. So it all sounds really fantastic, but watch the next few minutes, guys. I'm going to go through some bits that you may find a little bit alarming, and they may stop you actually going to join this Cloutzap. So, okay, what we did, we went away and we quickly had a bit of investigations, and we actually went to a site called who.is, and we put in the cloutzap.com domain name. And as you can see here from the website, the domain was actually registered back in October of 2021. Okay, so that's only just over a couple of months. That's all. So that's when it was actually registered. Okay, so right, bear that in mind. Let's quickly go back over to the Cloutzap. And as you can see here, they were saying they've had over 22 million payout and they're paying out $10,000 a month. So let's go to the proof wall. And we'll quickly look at, first of all, guys, if you have a proof wall on any website, that's a red flag straight away, because why do you have to prove that you're making these payments? The big sites do not prove that they've got these payments. They don't have everyone sending in their proof of payments. So that is a big red flag to begin with. But if we quickly scroll through this, you'll see here. Now this one is, they obviously paid out on the 14th of October. That's just 4 days after the website went live. This person was received $405. Okay, and that's what's more alarming is back in August, this person got $1,350 out of Cloutzap. Now I did say 26th of August. Now I've already told you that the website wasn't registered until October, so that just doesn't add up. We've also got this here as another one there for $1,500 in August. So let's go through a couple more of these. And as you can see here, look, 2nd of November. So, okay, that's about a month, possibly a month after it registered. And that is $350. But we already know that there's a couple that this one, it dates back to the 1st of January 2020. So that's over 19 months ago, way before the actual Cloutzap was actually registered. So these are definitely all made up. They're all fake. It's as simple as that. That was 31st of January 2020. So as you can see, guys, there is certain things on this website that just don't add up. So let's click across at the About Us page. And as you can see here, it says here, did we really become the #1 network in under 10 years? Well, it says here they've got data here from 2017 all the way up to this current day. And like we know, guys, already that we've proved that this domain was not actually registered until a couple of months ago. So again, this is not, it's false information they are giving you. So let's quickly look at the info, and we'll go across again to the terms, and we'll go across to the reviews at the moment, and they have got some videos on here that probably real people have made. What they do is they get you to actually create a video specifically saying exactly what they tell you, what you've got to say in the video, and then you get $50 in your account just for doing that. And remember, these guys are supposed to have been around a few years, and they're supposed to have been doing this for quite a while. These are just 4 videos that are on their website at the moment. And if you actually go across to YouTube, they've got their own site here, and the About page on the site, there's nothing on it, but they actually joined in November 12, 2021. So that is just a month ago. So the website, the YouTube account was only created a month ago. So again, that backs up the theory that this site is very, very young. So we've also got the terms and conditions here, and there's something else that's not right here. It says these terms of use were last updated on the 14th of May 2021. Well, again, this website wasn't even up then, so how would they be updating the terms when they're no longer there? And we'll tell you why. If you go across to some of the videos I've done previously, let's just look at some of the similarities of other ones that have been out there. And also take a note of the name, Cloutzap. It's pretty unique name as the clout part, okay? So check this out and what I went through previously on some of the videos I've done. Now this is my playlist, which is online scams to avoid. And as you can see here, the first one here is called Clout OG. Okay, and that was supposed to be make £500 right, $500 today. The #1 influencer in the world. Get $10 to $15 for every friend you invite. Something familiar going on there, guys. As you can see, the name's even familiar. You've got Cash Tree Reviews. It's $500 per day today. You've got Earning Cash is the same. You've got Zone Cash. You've got other ones here, all of these, look, $15 per referral, cash gem review, bread, plenty bread is $500 a day. They all go the same pattern. Oh, this one is 2 clicks, $2 per click, Dollars Club review. It's a scam, guys. It's as simple as that. Oh, hang on a minute. Another one, Cloutzap. That's a familiar name, isn't it? You know why they're taking these names like this? Because they can get the domain name. No one's got a domain name called with the word clout in it. So they've used the word clout quite a few times so they can gain the domain name. It's as simple as that, guys. Yeah, but you've got others here, Earn Bucks reviews. You've got $50 sign up bonus here. You've also got this one, $15 per referral, Cash Miracle. $50 sign up bonus, Cash Junkie reviews. These are all very, very similar. Oh, earn $500 today. Earn $250 today. They are all roughly on the same thing. And the one I done recently, Social Rebel Review, that's exactly the same. Earn $500 today. Now, if this isn't enough, guys, to put you off, I don't know what is. But obviously, you can only make that decision. The decision I would make is whatever you do, don't go and join the Cloutzap. What basically happens is, yes, they give you all these bonuses, they stack up in your account. And then what happens is they will make some excuse that you've broken the rules and they're not paying out, or they'll just delete your account and you'll never ever get paid. It's as simple as that. So I don't want you to waste your time. You won't waste any money because you're not going to pay any money, but you will waste your time. So I would definitely, in my view, try and keep as far away from Cloutzap as you can. And if you've already actually joined Cloutzap in the last couple of months, obviously let us know in the description whether you have been paid, whether you're waiting for a payout. Let's just prove it, guys, that this is what I think it is. And as you can see, it has a similar makeup to so many other sites out there that these guys have actually done. And near enough all these sites are actually on domains that are done in Reykjavik. So it sounds as if they're using the same address and the same city to actually go and register all these domain names. So I would definitely stay well clear of Cloutzap. And if you want to, check out the video I'm going to share with you at the end of this video for a way to make legitimate money online, of which you can actually build into a full-time income. Okay, where there are people actually making $1,000 a day. In fact, they're making it in $1,000 in just one commission. So check that out at the end of this video, and I'll be only too happy to walk you through everything and get you up and running in that business. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us, and obviously share this video to others that you may benefit from it. Okay, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Now, if you want to know my one-by-one recommendation is for earning money online, then check out this video here next. And this will go through exactly what you've got to do and how you can go and join for free and start earning cash.